everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1955 Chevrolet 210. Super cool car, guys. I actually took this in on trade from a buddy of mine. Good car. A little bit of an... so it's an older restoration when I say that when it was built, but it's one of those cars that they just keep adding to. It's got an all updated drivetrain in it that's very fresh. Nice car. I love the color combination. You can see it's finished in like a charcoal metallic gray, and then it's got the black in the rear and on the top. Love that. Of course, it's got the red cloth and vinyl interior in it. Pretty color combo. Good solid straight body. Of course, I love the 55s. It's and again, this color combo just hits me really good. Neat drivetrain in it. It's got I mean, a lot of stuff done to this car, guys. It's got a 383 aluminum headed stroker motor in it with a Holley EFI electronic fuel injection kit on it. 700R4 trans. It's actually a TCI 700R4 overdrive trans. They use a stock rear end, but it's got 4-corner adjustable shocks. It's got tubular upper and lower control arms on the front. They've done a really nice job on this rear. They've inboarded the springs, so if you want, you can get a bigger tire on it. But did a really nice job, man. Very nicely done car. Nice paint, nice interior. Some of the trim you can nitpick on, but really good looking car. You can see they've updated the headlights. This is what I'm talking about. Nitpick a few little things on that trim. Got your iconic 55 bird on it. Paint's slick though. Bumpers are pretty darn nice. I love 55s, man. I think that front end just looks like it's going to eat you. Again, pretty paint on the car. Stainless is nice. I love the color count. There's a little mark. It's got tinted rear glass. Both rear glasses go up and down real nice. Front glass goes up and down nice. Sorry guys, there's just a little dust there. We're remodeling this building, guys, so it's just a bear, man. They just marking the glass there. I mean, we just can't keep stuff clean right now. We do our best and try to dust them off, but if anybody's remodeled anything, and I'm not good at it, I'm not very patient at remodeling. Again, nitpick that a little bit. There's dust right there. If you see that, that's, like I say, it's just from sitting in there and the guy's doing some work. Nice and flat down the sides. Good looking car, man. That's a Legend Series chrome, like a torque thrust looking wheel. Upgraded front disc brakes. Again, good running engine in here. It's it's 383. So that's if you, it starts with a 350 block, but it's 383 cubic inches. It's a Holley EFI Sniper EFI system, polished aluminum intake, aluminum head, ceramic headers. Power steering. Oh, it's got power front disc brakes, and because of the cam, Jordy just kicked the what do you call it on there? That's a vacuum pump canister, so you always got full vacuum. You gotta turn the key back off, Jordy. MSD ignition. It's got aluminum radiator. Again, tubular upper and lower control arms. Kick your key back off. There you go. Again, TCI 700 R4 trans. Mirrors are nice, door handles are nice. It's got a custom interior. See, they put new carpets in it. Yeah, this is, like I say, sorry about the dust, man. It's so rough in there. Bucket seats, got custom console. It's got a B&N ratchet shifter in there. Tilt column. That's your Holley EFI sitting in there. That's all adjustable. It's all push button. It's got, what is it, 13102 on your odometer in there. It's got some aftermarket phantom face gauges. This is all, actually that's your power for your trunk as well. There's interior lights. Your audio button is there. It's got a lock-up torque converter, which is right here. And then, of course, it's got a line lock switch up on the top. It's got a complete custom sound system in it. Dual exhaust. Again, it uses a stock rear end, but they've moved the springs inboard. And it's got 4-corner adjustable shocks, a 373 limited slip rear end. They finished the trunk area here, and again, there's your Clarion power system. I'm not a radio guy, but it's loud, guys. It's kind of cool. He's got this underneath the deck lid, and he's also got it underneath the hood that's Chevrolet. Again, clean car underneath. Car's good. It's a good car. A lot of good components to this car. Somebody spent some money building this car. Again, the custom bucket seats are comfortable, I will tell you that. I put those new mats in it. That visor's there, that's kind of the old school. When you pull it to the light. Everything's marked in here too, the power trunk and everything in it. Again, that's your EFI system. Go ahead, Jordy. Dual mirrors. Nice little cam to it. I've got to fix the front turn signals. I actually unplugged them. It's under there wiping something. I pulled the dang plug out. Tach works. All your gauges are functional. Now turn the radio on, Jordy. Yeah. Car sounds mean out the back too. LED tail lights. Car's mean. Yep, you got it. Again, all your gauges work. The only thing, there's your EFI when it's live. I still don't think I don't think the blower motor's hooked up. I'm not real sure about the wipers. Do they have wipers, Jordy? Oh yeah, electric wipers. They've converted it to electric wipers. Like I said, I got a hook. I've accidentally unplugged those. Oh shoot, I might have pulled that. Yeah, the headlight's coming on. I bet you it's a little connector though. No, the turn signals, I unplugged them. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us. You can keep track of us on Facebook and on our Instagram page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. So there should be a little button on the bottom that you can click on, and that way you can get a notification every time I post another one of these videos. Taillights are super cool on that car. This is a cool car, guys, man. This car's got a killer look.